I have just received this TPA3116 D2 board. Now this one has a place for the subwoofer and a left and right channel. It also has Bluetooth integrated to it. What I wanted to do was convert some speakers to Bluetooth. So let's see how it works. I've already connected the two speakers, and I haven't connected the subwoofer because this system wouldn't have a subwoofer right now. This is for my son. Power. And it appears that we have speakers are working. Well, let's see if we can connect on Bluetooth now. So I've already connected to Bluetooth, so it comes out as YJ Hi-Fi. So when you connected. So let's see if I can get some classical music going, just to see how it performs on Bluetooth. So when the volume is low, there's quite a bit of Bluetooth noise, you would say. It's somewhat annoying, but as soon as you add volume, and you may, and in a quiet environment, you might want to drop the actual volume. So my son is going to be living in a dorm. He won't be able to turn this really high. So of course we got a train taking off right next door, so I have to wait till the train is gone to do some sound sampling. Right, so that took a little while, but should be all right. I need to plug in. So the train is now stopped, and let me just get a new song going, and you'll see that the Bluetooth, when it comes on first time, it's somewhat awkward. So to me, the sound quality for a 12 or for a cheap board, the sound quality is very good. Especially in an dorm environment where you can't really put it too loud, then this is going to be more than adequate. So let's integrate that into the speakers. So the speaker that I'm playing with is the a Bose 201, and I'm going to open it up and put the electronics inside the speaker. So here we are inside the Bose 201. On one side there appears to be some sort of foam, and on the other it doesn't appear to be anything. So and here's the driver. So we need to put this electronics in here. Alright, so what we need to do is separate the crossover, because I want to use the speaker terminal to power the other speaker. Use the I'm going to remove the crossover and rewire it. So I guess it's just twist it on. And here's the negative of the driver. Here's the negative of the tweeter. Well, these could be twisted on like this, like so, cut, and then inserted directly in the board. Put that on the negative terminal. I'm going to use it for the right speaker. Right, it's not that good. I guess So I'm going to have to solder these together. For some reason they shorten these leads. I'm just going to make them long again. There we go. I'm having difficulty because I maimed myself earlier, so I'm going to start over. And now I'm going to solder these two wires together. And now I can cut them to length so they're not too long. Alright, and now I can put this in here and just tighten that. Alright, that's better. Okay, let's do the same for the other one. Yeah. So the other one is a little more touchy, has a crossover. Well, let's get this wire out. This is the driver. Right, and the other one is the capacitor. Now these leads haven't been soldered, so what I'll do is I'll just cut inside here, and yeah. Now the workmanship of Bose speakers is not that great. It's just